Material 100% natural woven paper. ColorGold Stripe. BrandDII. ShapeRound. StyleSmall. Room TypeOffice, kids' room, kitchen, bedroom, nursery. Woven paper. Imported. Small round storage bins 13.75 x 13.75 x 12 storage bin will hold shape once filled. Constructed of woven paper with soft cotton rope handles knotted through grommets, holds up to 30 pounds. Always trendy and stylish, these bins are available in fun, trendy, and adorable styles and colors. A perfect addition to a nursery, home office, craft room, or to add a splash of color to any room while also being functional. Organizational solution for the home. Find a place for knick-knacks, children's toys, magazines, craft supplies, and more with these sturdy, everyday bins. Top reviews from the United States. Happy. Overall, happy with this purchase. Lasted for the time needed.